So, the rumors are true. Yesterday was Pixel Day, or Pixel 3 Day. So, everything we kind of heard and reported on turned out to be true. Even that notch, which isn't so bad after a while. If you get over the iPhone and everyone else who has a notch, you could get over that in due time. We're going to tell you about our first impressions and tell you what we thought about the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. So before we dive into specs, let's dive into exactly what's new here. So you now have wireless charging. So the rear is all glass, but instead of where it's two-tone, it's more of a frosted glass kind of situation. So it feels good on the hand. It feels a lot more slippery than previous generations. It has 10-watt fast wireless charging. So you have the Pixel stand, which we'll get into later. The front-facing stereo speakers are now 40% louder, which no one's gonna complain about. Who don't want louder? As long as it sounds good. As far as the AI, you can do some cool things with it now. So it looks like they put a little bit of feature they showed off at I/O a little bit into the Pixel 3. So now you can use the Google Assistant to screen calls. So it's not really screening, it's more so they're having a conversation with other calls on your behalf to see if you even want to take the call, which is pretty cool because nowadays these spam callers are just, the number's similar to yours, changing like a number, calling, you block them, they change another number and they call them back. It's ridiculous. As well as the shooters, you now have, you still have, 12.2 megapixel in the rear, 8 megapixel in the front, but now you have two shooters in the front. So you have a standard one and then a wide angle one. When you're in selfie mode, you can, there's a plus and minus sign where you can just, how much you want to zoom in, how much you want to zoom out. They actually have a thing called Super Res Zoom that allows you to use the zoom in a bit more and use AI and machine learning to process the image so where it doesn't have noise. So it's an interesting trick. There's also a super night mode. During the demo, they took a low light shot and they're going to compared it with the XS and the Pixel 3. And the Pixel 3, of course, is brighter, but we'll have to check that out as well. So AR stickers it's now called the Playground. So, of course, they're a little more interactive, different things. They've partnered with Marvel, so you can have different Marvel characters come in and be in a selfie with you or be interactive in the photo. At the current time, they only have Iron Man, so you got Iron Man jumping your shot, being your selfie, like, yo, I'm chilling with Iron Man or whatever. And then they're also working on anime version of Childish Gambino, which is interesting. As far as the rest of the specs, the Pixel 3 is a 5.5-inch screen. Pixel 3 XL is 6.3-inch screen. I think both are OLED panels this time. Powered by Snapdragon 845 CPU, 4 gigs of RAM, running Android Pie. In regards to the Pixel stand, it's pretty much like it is. It's a fast wireless charger. You put your phone on it, you set it up. You can view your messages, different, digital things. So it turns your Pixel 3 into a small and smart display, which is really cool. Rather than just being another random smart, wireless charger, you can just pick that up on Amazon. YouTube Music will be free for 6 months for those who pick one up. Verizon will be the exclusive carrier, but you can also get it on Project Fi and at the Google Store. Arrive in 3 colors of really black, just white, not pink. The Pixel 3 starts at $799 for the 64 gig. Pixel 3 XL, $899, and 128 gigs version will be $100 more for each. Pre-orders went on sale yesterday and go on sale on the 18th. So now that it's here, let us know what you think about it. We haven't got one yet. We may get one, we're not sure. So we're hoping to get one very soon. Let us know what you want to see. Sound off in the comments below. Thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate it and see you next video. Peace.